And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can animate text. I've got a simple clip right here. I used the default layout, and then you will find the text option here. I drag a default text into my timeline and I adjust its size. If you're totally new to this, check out my CapCut playlist. I made a video about adding text. You want to have it highlighted in the timeline, then you know it's selected. And if it's selected, you'll find text options right here on the right. Let me change that to vlog number 1. I want to make it a bit bigger via the font size, and maybe I make it bold. As I've said, I went over all of the details in my text video. Here we want to talk about animation, and you will find that on the top as long as this clip is active in the timeline. And then we have options for in, out and loop. In animation will start at the beginning. Be careful, some of these are pro, so you have to sign up for a pro account, but some are free. For example, this one, slide up. And if we left click on it, it will be added to the start of the animation or of your text element right away. If we click on another one, it's going to overwrite the last selection. We have an option right here for duration to adjust it. A simple slider for seconds. So let me make that a second long and it's slower. Let me go down to 0.3 and it's way faster. Same way works for out, but this is the out animation, so at the end of our text element. And you can see at the beginning and the end of our clip we now have these little stripes in the timeline on this element, and these indicate an animation. And for duration we now have 2 sliders. The one on the left is for the beginning and the one on the right for the end. Animation style can be set by sentence or by word, but by word once again is a pro feature. Let us adjust the duration for the end here on the right hand slider a little bit, so they both are 1 second long. Finally, we have a loop. A loop just goes on indefinitely, or at least as long as your text element is set in duration in the timeline. It's not going to override the in and out. So in and out will be left alone, and then the loop starts in between these two. And here you have different sliders depending on the effect. Here for the circular animation is rotate, we have a speed slider. And as I've said, in and out is kept. Whenever you want to get rid of animations, just use this black box. And this is how you can animate text in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.